Hey, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're gonna look at this beautiful 2026 Boston Weather 365 Conquest. As you can see here, it is well equipped with the 425 V10 Mercury engines, comfortable cruise in the mid 30s, and a top end on the low 50s. Let's step aboard and see what the inside of the boat has to offer. All right, so we'll start here in the cockpit of the 365 Conquest. Ample fishing room here with fish boxes in the deck on port and starboard sides, as well as a large bilge access to get your generator and all your sea cocks for every system on the boat. We'll have several different options going on here in the back of the boat. We can flip our backrest out and transform this into mezzanine seating with a footstool that drops out, as well as storage here on the top and bottom for whatever you're doing during the day, dock lines, fishing supplies, whatever you may need. As we come to the starboard side of the cockpit, we'll have our grill up top here, electric grill, easy to cook, and as well as integrated storage here at the back for whatever you need for the day. Step up here towards the helm. So we come to the helm, notice a lot going on here. We'll have our cooling countertop with another electric burner, as well as a freshwater sink and a grill or a refrigerator. So we come to the port side, we'll have a reversible chair, which we can swing back, and as well as our table that comes over and can drop down for more seating right here, all under the shade. Move up here forward to the helm here. We'll have twin 16-inch Simrad displays. As always, we'll have our joystick piloting and hardly any obstruction here with full visibility all the way around, and your two open windows here that are easy access to midship. Let's step down to the cabin. Now that we're in the cabin of the 365, large space here, very wide right here in the galley with another cooktop, freshwater sink, and another refrigerator as well. Up forward, we'll have our forward berth right now in the entertainment area. Lower this table and the bed will close on to itself, forming your forward berth. Have access to all your controls on the boat here, house battery, engine battery, and everything for generator controls or shore power. Close this up. We come over here to your nice stand-up shower, as well as has a glass door to fold across, so while you're taking a shower, no water comes in to the bathroom area. Now up on the bow of the 365 Conquest, notice the high bow rails all the way across, so that you walk up here as you're offshore. You have plenty of support and access to your windlass anchor with road access as well as a remote control. Ben Finley here, MarineMax Panama City Beach. If you'd like more information on this boat or like to schedule an appointment, give me a call at 706-455-0468. Look forward to seeing you.